Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Before watching the video, like, share and subscribe to the channel. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Welcome back. This video is not going to be a regular tutorial. This is actually a breakdown video. So, I took this image from pixels.com. This is a 4K image. First thing I done is added a little bit of fire to the bushes in the background. I used this image for fire and changed blend mode to screen. As there is fire, there must be some glow too. So I added glow by using new layer and painted it with the same color as fire and changed its blend mode to soft light and opacity to 60% or so. Next, added fireball to the image. I used this image. As you can see that this image is so sharp, but in edit it is blurred out because this image has good depth of field, so I blurred it out with Gaussian blur. As there is fire, we have to add some smoke too. As smoke is very popping, I decreased its exposure to match the background. As there is also so much noise in the image, we need to add noise too to the elements. So go to filter, noise and add noise. Now look, we have an even looking noise. Now added a missile blast in a far background. I used this image for it. I also blurred it out according to the background to look realistic and also added noise to it. And now I added huge smoke in the background to make it more dramatic. Everything looks pretty much fine, but something's missing, and that is highlights. There are huge blasts and fire in the background but no light on the subject. So first I cut the subject very carefully and made new layer by it. I added highlights to the image by using hue saturation adjustment layer and brush tool by brushing the edges of the subject. Now it's time for some camera raw filter, or you can also use Lightroom, it's up to you. Make a group of all the things and duplicate it by pressing Ctrl or Command J, and now merge them for camera raw filters. Now go to the filter, camera raw filter, and play with the sliders as much as you want. And voila, it's done. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Bye.